Let's say you have a two-camera shoot created in a single instance of OBS, and you notice one shoot is upside down and don't want to do the shoot over. Well, I have a solution. After looking on YouTube and doing searches all over the internet, I could not find the answer, so I came up with my own. I'm not saying that that answer doesn't exist, but what I am saying is that I could not find it. So here's what I came up with. First, open a new project. That's number one. Import the raw footage, which I did, is right here, and put it on the timeline. Then if you click Alt and drag up, you end up making a copy of that footage. But we don't need a duplicate of the audio. So what I'm going to do is delete it. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to collapse this down to make it smaller. What you're going to do is, after you've made a copy, drag the copy to the right of your raw footage or track video 1. Make sure it's all the way to the right. Then you have to take the playhead. Make sure this is selected and the playhead is anywhere over the image. Okay. Now you got to go up here and make sure the inspector is open. Scroll down to cropping. Make sure it's open. In this case, you would crop from left to right because, if you notice, this amplifier is upside down because the camera was not facing the right way. And I didn't notice it until it came time for editing. So, okay, because the top and bottom, the right side of the image, is in black, you do not have to crop the top or the bottom. What you need to crop, you got to crop out the left side of the image. So, I'm going to crop left. Try to get it right on there. Okay. We've cropped it. We moved from left to right. It's still upside down. So what you need to do is come up here to the angle, rotation angle, type in this box 180. Hit enter. And now it's righted itself. However, it's now on the wrong side of the screen. So go over here to position and drag the image until it goes back to where it was. Okay. Now what you're going to do is take this clip, move it back to the 0 point, take the playhead and move it over. And lo and behold, your image is now righted itself and it's in the correct position. I hope this helps you, because I know it helped me a lot because I was not able to figure out how to do this. All right, people, take care.